Stock number 29630. It's a Victor gap bed engine lathe, 26 inches over the bed and 100 inches between centers. I'll give you a quick walk around, show you the machine. It's got a nice steady rest with it. Also has a travel dial and foot brake. We're currently wired 440 volt 3-phase. And now we're going to give you a quick runoff. Run a couple different speeds. Are you in there? You're not in the range. Those red arrows have to line up. There you go. I'm going to go to that plus sign on that other. Yeah. While we got that one going, we'll run some feeds on the carriage. Yep, that one. There you go. There's a carriage feed. And then when we'll do that one, that'll give us a cross slide. There we go. And there's your cross slide. Headstock's quiet, we've got good oil flow. Feeds seem to work good. It's a good machine. That's what we've got.